I saw Abatobaze's video. Abatu Bize. Oh my God. Somebody said, I was discussing with somebody yesterday, and we are Abatu Bize. Abatu Bize. How far? How they go? One fact that I like about this thing is how, you know, they are giving up, making him feel that don't worry, Abba, you've got this case, you've got it, you've got it. Come, Abbat. There is a lady called Esabod. Esabod, Agbene, Uwe cut and Agbe Sabot. So you will keep going to court, but you're going to collect beating. Since you want to love Obaseki more than the Obasekis all over the world. How many of the Obaseki family have you seen coming out to defend this Obaseki? The people who collected money, who made big cash, cool word in Obaseki's tenure. Agbiyan Gbemi and Wari. Now you may disrespect the royal house. For what? Our Abba is our identity, is our culture. It has to be respected. From the interview Obaseki did in your live stream, I think on Thursday or Friday last week, it already proved everything that the Royal Majesty, has every right to be angry. Obaseki ogbegbe lawe. Baba, instead of you and the federal government to be fighting for this artifact, I think the state can also step in, according to what Godwin Obaseki said. And the Oba gave him, that opportunity for him to also step in. After all, the man wanted everybody to join him in fighting for the return of the artifacts. And when Obaseki got in there, what did he do? He sidelined the king, took over, hijacked the whole return of the artifact. He hijacked the whole process, sidelined him, and even tried to knock heads between Obanoba with the crown prince. But your father even sent a video to you where only for you to come out and say, Oba a problem you ma, Oba a problem you are. Really? The Royal Majesty has every right. If the king is angry, his anger is justified. Because of artifacts in a era of blessed memory. They'll be fighting for that artifact. Only for Obaseki to come in, boom, hijacked the whole process and sidelined the initiator, which is the Royal Majesty. Abe Senator Zamere, where they give you mic, say, go talk like this. Have you ever seen Senator Zamere's children coming out to behave the way you are behaving? Abe Senator Zamere, all your phone, your control, your time, na kingima. Era no lei wiwa. Or a problem. Have you seen Senator Zamere's son, Ethan, was given commissioner 2 times? Obaseki amwe commissioner. Obaseki was there as a governor. He did not give you any position, even though you were getting money from Betsy. But there is no tangible position that you had. Naya Munwana Yamuna Ogbede Ifalu Yusibo, who has formally condemned Obaseki. Ogbede Ifalu Yusibo was the one who called Obaseki blind bats then. Your access to Obaseki was restricted. So what do you want? Then we can work big wedgie, but Obaseki na. I mean, I love him, but you have restraint. I mean, I love him, eh? Only your Obaseki were making ya wow, nyaka behave na. It's okay to hear your opinion, freedom of speech, but there are some boundaries you don't cross. You don't try it. You don't try it. You come out and talk to Royal Majesty for waiting now. Till they bring that nonsense. While I say, wait, but anybody no can climb no only popular or your Royal Majesty ya Zola come for what? Are you mad? You don't have him too. Leave him alone. That man is not your problem. They bring that nonsense. You come and they talk to our king anyhow. That man is our identity. Good afternoon, Joy. Every time. This double is it double chief? Really complain to you in the group that you guys added him. This man demolished my house. Obaseki also demolished people's houses. You are trying to make it look as if Obaseki is a saint. Obaseki is from the interview he granted in your live stream the other day, he shot himself. In his exact words, he said Omonoba has been fighting for this return of the artifact, and that is true. Ambassador Lancelot Oduware Maswen was among the people who joined the Royal Majesty when they were in Atlanta. They went to Atlanta. They went to Washington D.C. Why the king was still why was still the crown prince there before he became the king? He has been fighting for this thing. So if the king is angry, he has every right. His anger is justified. In Obaseki's words, he said when he came on board as a governor, he went to the king to say, instead of you and the federal government fighting, you can't be going to Abuja all the time. Let the state step in. Let the state government step in. And when Obaseki stepped in, what did he do? He hijacked the whole process from the Royal Majesty and never got back to him to explain to him. Only for him to send the paper to him to sign through the first son. Our king is not a pushover. He has been an ambassador for more than 20 years. Coming to come and why don't the Obaseki? Obaseki did the even people where he loved the Obaseki before. You don't make everybody they dislike him. Now let you love Obaseki pass. Those that Senator Zamere ni encourage you when you do a fini gwegwe. Umu use Zamere where he go do nonsense in the Facebook ina. There are some people you support. Once your face is out there, there are some certain things you do. A face when I no problem. But once your face is out there, you will be very, very careful. Obaseki that will not take bullets for anybody. When Commissioner Oseri Guerrero was a commissioner, he Obaseki Ogbari a trip in Indiana Dajiri, France. Obaseki na wahi agbera di man. Obaseki pretended as if he didn't know the man, and then Obaseki they go that trip. Obaseki go amwera no go nu bi awa gbegbe we wa bana. Because you get to me go kere, you are in UK, you don't want to go at war. You are in UK, you are still expecting money from Nigerian government. Tomorrow you say you want to make Nigerian government good. You are likening yourself to be show worry. If you are likening yourself to be show worry, in Nigeria, you are bullying people all the time who went to wear activism. No? But now when the police, maybe show worry every time you are invited to police station or the because you are in the UK, you think you can be bullying people and the law covers you. If you and double chief enter court, and you are a lawyer, where be a lawyer, who will get the 10,000 pounds, you have a medicine. Now UK with them, UK is not Nigeria. UK does that mean you should be bullying people every day? UK is not Nigeria. Every video see where you download there, they'll take a transcriber to transcribe it for them. What are you talking about? UK is not Nigeria, so you should be a serial bully every day. I will say that Zamere time when they have a problem where a problem where we don't have a salad and why don't I with your face out there. As you see, Senator Zamere children will collect better money. How many of them don't carry their face come and come talk to the palace? And vient or your more tired in the Madam do Agwe Palace Iguania for what? The Royal Majesty anger is justified. You built the mower, you removed the door from me, and you put mower. But Obaze asked Obaseki, he could not. Okay, what are the benefits of the Edo? with this Mowa thing. He could not explain. He was all over the place, beating around the bush. Ariani Maya Bodoya deceive. The Roy Oba brought this idea to you 23 years ago. Where you win Aveko, these are the set of people who are me Aveko Iriado. But once there's any political opportunity though in Edo, Egbena Batile Una. How can it be disrespecting the palace for what? Uladiawe or Monobane Edo is the problem of the Benin? Are you mad? Nobody can talk to you again because now UK we there. UK is not Nigeria. UK is not Nigeria. UK is not, so you should be bullying everybody. Even this double chief is not Gbewobi. He only bully because you are in UK. What if your bully leads him to be suicidal? The only thing he want like Iweji now, what a God funds me. Make sure you use this opportunity to make them dry. We are Wahala do I need money for lawyer. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you. Where wa tanye wa kwigonwe. Oh, wani numa dele go base kuze get do elites now. Oh my God, he did it, Precious Mega. Okay, mommy, no, of course. He did so many videos talking about the Royal Majesty. For what? For what? Oba and the father, they be fighting for this artifact. Ambassador Oduware Imaswe, he can attest to this because I saw them in Atlanta. I think that was in 2012 or 2011. When Oba was the ambassador to Italy. Any artifact in Oviere wa gbinaji. So Orisere Oviere Aya enjoy the benefit of him not labor. Obaseki took it away from him. And an idiot to say the Royal Majesty is not right to be angry. No tereni uwa labor for another man to eat. Waga labor and another man will eat. He had a buwa by. That man was all over the place. The Royal Majesty he was all over the place trying to get this artifact back, himself and the father. Before the son of Consul Philip, one of the people who invaded the palace in 1897. Then he was the crown prince and ambassador to various countries. The man fought for it. The man worked hard for it. So if the man wants anything from any benefit from this artifact, it is right. He did duly, he wants it. He merits it. Yes, you can provoke somebody to be violent. So the people should not say because I did abroad, they cause mercy. He can use the law of provocation to defend himself. I'm telling you. Oh, bully. Abat has been in UK. Winner is not the content creation is bringing. Do your content. Must you bully people every day? I don't know they see the nonsense way they do for in page there. Oh, what we will know, man. We are one prison. What they baby here. What they talk about now some police can't spend 4 hours. King of England, the police must spend 4 hours with over a trivial issue. Taxpayer, you will not the pay more, you will not the work. Who will self-employed, okay? You are not working. A taxpayer's money. A police wa do mudakewe for our extra board for Ireland. Now inside court they for bitter. The people they are still working free. Because all of the carry lawyers will back them up. So don't say because this is a bra, you're not going to do me that. If don't say boy a man do you know some people they don't a winter day do you know that? You want to jeopardize your life for Obaseki who don't give a hoot about nobody. Commissioner Oseligero pade Obaseki ano. Yeah, Obaseki ogba travel via dive a connecting flight in France. Obaseki can gbera till tomorrow, maba tiewe, alpha, maba vene police newe. Is everything okay? He didn't. Obaseki no get person time. He's a user. No one supposed that, but was doing too much. Carry your back home, they insult. For waiting now. The other day you put crown prince. A crown prince, you posted picture, you put on. Egbeno mwana ya we ekita hianwu egbeni egiyemi no giwia. You have wife and children. Instead of you to focus on them. Wait till you were there abroad. Nice to see they look for political position for Nigeria. You can do activity, you can condemn the government, but there are some boundaries you don't pass. It is never accepted. Even for UK, say, forget when you criticize the monarchy, reach who you are gérant yo. Wait, artifact, when that artifact, he say, Obaseki na is sideline oba. Or is sideline oba by ye crown prince of ye, not job by your way, Arege Yevani. Our Abba is not a pushover. It's not a pushover. It's because our royal father, they can't take what they give exactly. They bully person say, na UK we dey. Now you Esabod one na Egbere Island. You won't cut premises have your bonnet. When no is a cut, he say, you're not a vehicle. So people are determined. They go beat you. The consequences, they will wait for it. So you can't use yourself, receive this thing. Internal bleeding, I got Facebook. But who did there? This life now upper. If you bring your face, they support people. Face like they are supporting on the Facebook now. We see how all of them end up now. If you want support person, you never dey sure. Hide your face. It doesn't matter. The mess you are facing does not mean it to be talking to the royal man. We did talk to his father like that. Abi, was it not this bad that said the father raised them not to respect each other? Then I will clap for him. The mess you are facing in Edo State. Obaseki was there 8 years. What did he do? 8 years, Obaseki Mawukpo. And when I was in Nigeria in January, I was asking, Obaseki not 3 months ago. Akewa wado lukpo jige do yari yere na Little London, true abats. Anybody know what go against Obaseki and Obaseki Naro? Abati Wahala. And we saw it now. Now you know what many people do against Obaseki. Well, why can't you people take what you give to others? Why? Ukaya gbera ne why mwera era no ma train wani no ma train not when on America yes man uka mwera ne uka dotawe era battle a problem in family uwa ijwa no ye krimi bolegbe or a problem wa yana dey disorganized hey if you dey turn out no say you don't fit curse your parents uka don't say born a rally drain before you throw man to that place you don't dare. Let alone our royal father didn't even ask for more. The return of artifact, an initiative already right now. The man has been fighting for it. If any of you know Ambassador Laszlo, ask him in 2011 in Atlanta. I saw them. When they left there, they went to Washington, D.C. for this same artifact thing. Then the thing will don't come ready now. One person go hijack the process. Oh, yeah, both here with you. I jacked the process. I did not even put any reference to them. The white people came to commission something that has to do with hearts, that has to do with culture. They did not go to the palace. Give respect to whom it is due. Even on a Bible. Give respect to whom it is due. The next day, they all found themselves at the palace. And in Wakau. I was on somebody's Mama Untouchable live stream yesterday. I think TikTok. And they said people didn't even know what was happening. It was this same about everything I peppered them for Abat. Everything I peppered them. You dey do your fight, they go nobody talk to you until you can't cross boundary. Wetin dey happen now? Wetin? Anybody no care why dey popular oba for what? Mona fẹ́ cause una papa why can weru wa riju wa rete born if una can't cross go the other big house aigwan. People wey no fit do and they engineer una not get sense. You not get sense about. Only go baseki wa ri enu na no awa wujina. Don't see your go they don't worry go waye ba. Some people don't determine say that anything wey they want to do they will buy you. But 5-10 years in here, but don't make sure say they satisfy their conscience. Now your wife and your children will lose. Everything I beg they add sense. Okay, when they told you right now, government send people comfy. The handyman they do something. They talk say cameras again. They know why man. Okay, why they tell government you know. Who they told you? Who beg I don't mind is the devil's workshop. I don't mind. Go and get something doing. Go and get something doing. If you feel you are becoming too lonely, who you are going anyhow? You are going winner so that 6 hours no 8 hours only be occupy we. Uke do awe show nu. So we are winner we are so one you will doze off. Update. The thing where you they do okpewolo to be sincere. Anybody will try and during Obasekite, you go not the person, you go insult the person. Obaseki was the best. You never want anybody to see Obaseki flaws. Also, that's what I'm when you're ready talk back. Because of the way you ask you can you. But now, Okpewolo no go don't sit down, put leg for ground. You don't dey shout, Ozibobo governor. Ebe ya wa TVism. Madness every day because of Facebook money. He benefited from Obaseki. Yeah, that is why he's having a mental breakdown now because he thought the money was going to continue. Just look at few months ago, he started bullying Aswe. Omoka Aswe had to block him. Aswe go dalo. Over time, Facebook now. Omoka Aswe had to call him. Are you turning on it your bonnet WhatsApp? That one had to block him. Aswe and Oba or Shomole, whether they see for party, they can't they drink or ever yasunu. Oh no, what they like Aswe name, you know what they swat tia bonabe ile boni de lehia, tia bonabe oceane ni kekebe temitayo. Oh, Aswe wife had to block him that year. Is it if one be what's her name? Uwe sweba Sandra okbia no go be your wow okbia no can be your wow Usonia Sandra no Sandra you dey go out with enemy see boy Monday see boy tie beme you dey go out with Monday Sandra pa post a video na ya can be your wow Sandra eva move ya si kojina woman rapper man like you I didn't want to talk I want to defend myself but you dey insult Sandra now people dey your life now they clap for you if Sandra still see you now wants you one slap this is UK in UK this is UK some people don't sign and say they go beat you for if court case one come make come sometimes you don't know how court case go sometimes you don't know how even that beating go Uga iwu vie neni weke ke oha we ne jalo nu vian kuse ye tu gbina no Obaseki if you fight tomorrow trust me Obaseki no go call your wife Obaseki is just about himself alone you don't care a mowa where you build you no fit explain mowa who get mowa why did you not carry the palace along you promised royal the royal house who will be royal museum near. Yes, that should be part of their why not 50 billion legal nire. You need to, there's a way you will do it. You will still give palace in you will take your own. You will give palace there. If na 50 billion the money come, you give palace 30, you take 20, or na share am 25. The man no go dey vex now. Say the man dey vex because they not give am money. Wetin the man labor for? Again, Royal Majesty now labor. Obaseki now, if you tell and say come to Benin, I'm not going to Benin. I'm not going to Benin. Oh, show me the give ya muere ne. Now if you want confirm the don for Benin. as a governor, there was nothing he did. There was nothing he bought in Benin. If you want buy soap, na Lagos. If you want buy sponge, na Lagos. How you say make the money to circulate for Benin? But it was quick for Abba to say, hey, that they fight out because he not share money. Oh, it's not about sharing money. You want to develop the state. You want to buy maybe cement. You buy from suppliers in Benin. The money goes around. You want to buy sponge. You buy from the suppliers in Benin or in those state there. You want to buy coconut. You go to Aviele. You want to buy fish, you go to Aganebode. You want to buy maybe limestone, you go to the northern part of Edo. The money spreads like that for the people. But Abat was so quick to come on. They know what they say Abasheki not share money. Oh, they say Abasheki not share money. Of course, the man also did well in some areas. But the Abat succeeded in making the opposition party not have anything to say. The day Obaseki destroyed Tony Kabaka, so the Abatinaga, he did a live stream, and what was it, 2018 or 2019? I'm gonna say, are you there? There was them Senator Zamere. Now they tell us they can't talk to Obaso. Now he really come outside. You want why Senator Zamere not telling children? Zamere don't fix in children. The last one they work for custom, big position. They go America up and down. I say it be now where Obaseki was a governor. They restrain you from seeing him. Oh well, we are a commissioner. I be you and you not senior Denko. I be na age me you and Denko will be a deputy governor be so. What do you not agree me they do Obaseki that time? If you just see Okpewolo, what your board Okpewolo, he want me Okpaika. He go sue the same Okpaika where they tell us that they say, na London we there. You can fight in London. You can fight in London. Okay, I say, why do me a Korionoro? That's why I know they support anybody. I too happy. If matter come, my own side I talk on. If you want to do crazy or where I block you, or if you be person where I want to talk to, I just to talk to you. Well, kadoti ebon era no wane era no ya mare ohwo no kabie ijwe no kabiele iye fa biye 5 ne who kadoti ebon era ni we era na ogwa gele mess up this work power ye na apawo via de ko ya mijwe na ijwe biele fie mo no kemira okay so abieluwa who kadoti ebon era ijwe na that time me go know so okay you know they really fear. What you know if you do your part, you carry Royal Majesty come the insult her anyhow for waiting. Because say we don't enter abroad. Agboya liwe bone, you are free. Now because now what you they do mess up be that. Now make that boy slap you. Now abroad we dey. Now abroad we dey work. If na abroad now they why me police will they work be police will be. Now abroad we dey police nothing dey happen. I know my right. If police pull you over, not pull over. Say now abroad you dey, you know your rights. Now abroad you dey. If you beat traffic, they bring a ticket for you, not pay. Now abroad you dey or not go dispute am for court. Now abroad leave the ticket made there. Now abroad we dey. In every society, they have their rules that govern them. They have institutions that has to be respected. It has to be respected. That is why we hear Arabo Halloween you celebrate it today. Then they marry it say na which party not be which party or which party celebrate we see money why. But that does not mean because of now una don't talk say na which party make they cancel Halloween. No. It is not it eminado that I am there no in weti our great grandchildren in year celebrated. If you no you are like we bone afiake page na oba Benin for waiting na. What did they happen? What did the man do now? Oh my one year right or go be binaji. Even though you suffer for the past 23 years, a dividend here na Obaseki want do say na in white pass. You can't even build the MOA, the museum finish. You say not being game over, but you said you supported. It's just like me now. Say Melissa want go open one business for Nigeria, private business. Not the government will say take, I dash you, take support. Of course, government gets stake in it before they can support. After you don't support with state government, Edo state government money, you can't remove the Edo state way there. You can't remove the Edo. You can't Imowa na be before you can't turn out to Mowa. Then the king talk now, say, see what happen. About it was Saladia. Hey, Iyamamu again, I are Dubai. Obagi my Dubai, Jo. Obagi my for Abuja for that's his personal life. You can't expose the man for social media because freedom of speech, don't they? The senator Zamere when I'm where Saladia. No do a table, no ba. Asalwa. That they give you man, just continue the bully, but they go beat you so they. And when again the UK was ya 21 years, you know, some people don't get and say na 21 years in ya when ya reparo niya. No ye gwefia la sera. Na UK we dey, na abroad we dey. Wahala dia, our bully. Na abroad we dey, our bully. Waiting, why they when me kere nu wa oh. Oh, now the bully. This is, some people don't have that mental capacity to stand it. The boy will give you slap. You know that he don't attempt suicide. Do you know that? The only thing you may want like you wedgie only may want like you wedgie opportunity no ya making ya wanahi. Look at what Cora did that day na. Cora fight for your children very enough come with $100,000 so na mulawa. Na so then you tama when I go to call Jelly, you want like everything and money. I need money for lawyer. I need money for personal thing. Work about Mickey or no one you now. We with bandage young. Who worry a cat away? Oh, one in we my devil Robaseki. We are ye banana door with bunya. One mereo. If they tell you say you go win imere go pay you fine. Uju. If it too much, they'll say may go do community service. They'll say, but to go any law bene. Do you want to get where you last? Then let's about the who say you were caught. I bear we were caught. Okay, you want bully now everywhere. Bully on my everywhere. Oh, we cut on now, get you have your body. We cut, we camera everything. They inside court premise and they bitter. I've been at the one where they fight for Stratford. Where is the end today? I got tell you, who be when you be a court or what be here? You know you're mere a physiotherapist. So be careful. Obaseki get family. Them no sa Obaseki not being brother. Ave Pedro Obaseki. When any Ladian dog bin and etia, any Maladian dog bin and etia, when we face well Ladian, why misbehave? If you reach another person, but you for that come and say, update. What did they happen now? Anybody will want your call enter Facebook. Now that the Royal Majesty now na content is Zolakon. We are say Kenuwaje. Now entitlement to fight for. It's not a pushover. When this man they labor for this artifact to be returned with the benefits. Obaseki de Lagos they do Afri invest. Afri if you say me they come beneath that and they know they come. The only thing we make and come now because of Oshomole go carry and come. If you see them for Benin, you tell the pardon or lato say they don't even answer you. You can't see condescend Benin now. You umari gwebi and redo dem wa le jollof rice amuke kode. Wa fry me wa muke kode. That was the same thing Aspen would have also done. That was what Aspen was resisted. Politicians will always be politicians. Obaseki na oga dey by APC ba ko you go do you gbo. By then when we hear le ya na small they do one. Na small. Awa gbina. Yeah, you and also wedding at Amadi. If you are not the who are running give a coup. By me politics. Also work man or red greasy bati Duncan. Wa de Duncan give a coup. Ba mo baseki. Umo baseki gi emwegi ananu duwe. My brother, go just dey go hospital every day. As you dey go, so they post am. Put your account number, they follow, and you donate iro nue. You donate iro nue. Numi ena dowa numa dere Obaseki. Obaseki rewa. Ave osagbovu you are. Obi ya we people wey collect better money for the government. Wait there. How many of them you don't see? I've been a the crucial way you dey invite. You don't see her just they talk raw like that. I am blunt. I am blunt. I am blunt. Not be eke the palace man joking and not blunt, my brother. My I anyway. No, you know they happen. It no go happen. The man, the keep private life. Who don't tell me my Facebook. Thank you, my honey. Because you get too reliable. It's not me, yes, now they get a strain of madness for their family. When my begotten of America. Only America, or two abatina, or we be a residency 1 year, or ye mukia, only marry moi, or ye be. Godfather, even Lawrence Oka will bring you into politics. Who don't hear born on Facebook? Get to Binano Baseki. Everywhere, no Baseki. Now, will not Baseki bring out his face and do it for you? If tables turn tomorrow, will he do it for you? Joe Puma, they cause the royal palace, say for waiting. Can don't tell Bonera is when no one. Ni you a bieli, ni you a de care bieli, more than we want when all one or American. What can do? Why would you worry? Why can't say Bonera what is you are? Oh, ma, tie bonne issue. Okay, kere Smith abie smart or what on smart. Okay, kere no ni who America. But you go sit down there in so person father. Oba is not your father. Oba is our father. Even when I were father, but don't try if you beg Irani. Try because now small you they do so. If me see you, yeah, bear your work. I'm telling you. That nonsense be that because everybody keep quiet they look on since. Anybody not can anyone like them on Facebook. Oba, Vini, Oba for waiting now. But the man they fight for his right, waiting suffer put for 23 years. They fly all over everywhere. Taking flight risk everywhere. They talk about this artifact. And they want to return. They negotiate. Put ugi we na Obaseki no na sun wu wonu yin e first on ore yakin ogi egbe. Like the father said, he's a young guy. When you gave him that paper for his father to sign the Benin Legacy Trust, the guy was happy. He also wants to be, have that position. Everybody will be happy. I know when they sugar you not to a corner. And the father saw through you. When the father read that paper, he said, the man is educated. He's enlightened. He's well traveled. He's exposed. So the son thought, oh, maybe my father don't want me to be a trustee. How can you take paper to this? How can you give paper to the son to go and give to his father? You are supposed to be making quarterly or yearly whatever. Or bi-yearly report to the Royal Majesty by yourself. Or where ita Obaseki no ana sunwu. Or where palace magbe proposal go no ana fiawu. We palace man be proposal go. E palace on be proposal go the initiative ni ati wewe. Do gumeri re una tonpa mu, una tekuye mu, una mukpa. Ona no tie we una be da oboji. The palace did not write to you to inform you to let you know about the Benin Royal Museum. But there was a discussion that led to the Mowa Museum. which emanated from this Benin. So where he going to have a mowa, we magi a Benin museum yerewa, uwe Benin traditional council magbengwen wana sunwu. Wana kyo pare nu kyo pana. Where Benin traditional council magbengwe to remind you that you promised to support a bit to build the Benin traditional Benin Royal Museum. Wa sunwu. Oh, Monobama send a proposal again. But a proposal no ya ben, no ya mo wa. O mamia mi oni. Umamia me proposal mo wa. Umamia me proposal Benin Royal Museum, which was where that mowa thing emanated from you. Uke me boy, una me ari yen na sho origbo. Then no say lady okpaka no de. And we yaga is a nene mowa. Origbo ke ya okay ya maya. This is Asoro. This is a Caladera. Oh my God, that woman cracks me up yesterday. Bi ano mai negbe wa sun wa bato baze ayu bi ekwe mi. Chinedu abi nenemi. Ema ya no win vio yo na. They are all from Afri Invest, his company in Lagos. Aga ise wani Chinedu okay ga talk gadima. Chinedu no know anything. No what bebe. Okay, daughter, this is Asoro. This is a Caladera. This is a Princess Oan. This is Queen Esther of blessed memory. A statue in your book. I got my soon war baseki. Yeah, a normal seki no win a seki. Stupid man. For you to be there and align our bats. Obaseki is somebody I love, I used to love. But for him to allow Abba to be ridiculing the royal monarch, it is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. Now, Abba is not a pushover. Ovia not John is a barrister. Ovia not John has master. Our Abba too has masters. They are well read. So for Obaseki to want to do a bubu yeye. Our Obama gbe proposal agbo. But Magbe proposal. Why did you not forget about the mowa? Why did you not forget about the where you go supporting ya? Ujere ya you go support a mowa. A mowa gbe proposal go. The mowa ya re. What bettered mowa? Was it not the Benin Royal Museum that bettered mowa? Just few days before leaving, you remove the E, which stands for Edo. You remove Edo mowa. Mowa, una inoroi, una kisia to mowa, Museum of West African Arts. You remove the Edo. You remove the Edo. Welcome there. They're supposed to be even Edo State self. Uriye. Okay, man, be Benin Royal Museum. Only a problem. Edo Royal Museum. Edo Museum of West Africa. Una re donoroi. Una re donoroi. Una isia to mowa. It's not your money, it's not your entitlement. Waga ikpa bati yo nebuo waga ikpe yo nebuo wa baladia. I don't want to take about, I don't want to be involved, I don't want to wa pe yo wa. Wa Senator Uzamere, that useless old fool. When the Senator Uzamere, when no more time they not do atie bonera. Na that time me go here. Oh ye gbe ya ge show worry. E show worry time we boy na wa TV ma. Waje. Nigeria je. Una the bully person now hide under activism. Una the cost person now hide under activism. Nobody away. Now, no one make development come. Now, if you want to collect my entitlement and I dey fight for now, what you will say me entitlement, make development not come. Make development stay for Lagos. Don't you want more wadi na ga egworo. Obaseki be ave ye na show abiare bo ni woni san fada be na na. Iya mana kweye terms and condition go ba awa level emo wani. Awa ya amu ikuyeba. You don't see? Amu ikuyeba. So they have to come to a compromise with the palace because this man duly worked for it. He works for it. When this man they suffer, they work, they bring the initiative of this return of the artifact. When Europe, Abiari biekani ni gwaleveni ya cross from a Mediterranean Sea to Lampedusa Noa. These people are illiterate. They don't know what is happening. So that is why it's easy for Abba to just say, Jimmy. The ancestor, what did happen now? Guys, take him easy. Take him easy. Abba se kewe nu unanwe. You can't bring out your face and be fighting. Ya again let you okpa the Germany regani. Ege no na mo face e la di agbi na nori okpa. Ana ata me egbi na ne lolo. Lolo is my mentor. Lolo as your boy, you are Ojo. Now so she be. Now so then her face is already out there. Now they use sense, they do something. So nobody say more than nobody say me not support Obaseki. But you know support Obaseki can't cross that line to our father. You know they happen. This is not everybody they fear prison. Unu worry at they work but Nigeria I favor. So what you can make you say that everybody will they fear jail? What there? So there are some things where you go do. You need to use the upper because you beg Ariani work better now. If the honors fall on you now, let type back update now you go they collect now you go they walk here via over. So that's why the only thing we have are using here. When you what time where I bad bring account, just drop account, make money they fall inside for you. Use their head, take buy that so you want buy. For where you know where else where you are not giving the opportunity to buy. That thing I was data bill while they chuki way. So what Valentina because having an need you why you go una go just bully person una person we una marry no even sit down and say no it's okay it's enough are we mi kere we yeah okpe wo lo ma gbe 3 months ibusun road not good again 3 months. What your Obaseki can do? He build he renovate have build this in Ogbemudia say Radissi hotel tomorrow. Am I time mama no ya Radissi hotel? The stake of those states, the Radissi hotel am I he's trying to form saint in Odrigomu. Saint that cannot explain. He bring investment. The investment are all gone after him. Take am easy. Lao, take it easy. Work pa love Obaseki say. Obaseki me on a year on a VJ on extended families with the Obaseki last name. They are not fighting tooth and nail for him the way you are doing. They might be doing it underground, but they are not, accumulating, gathering enemies everywhere just because of an idiot like that. It's just a tester for him now. One boy wait by somebody that they have CI ne. But 11 years in and I mean ni have CI ne. Woman for the same UK for Nottingham there. Who don't buy never buy. If you have every miss, just go sleep for hospital. You are sleeping in hospital, any mark anybody. When we were sleeping, I made like so that me here were pity. That's the only thing you can do. Otherwise, now they can't help you, but you will be the one inside. You have to learn what is one to Andy Ma come feel something for your ass today. Where na government send person. Is your area government was send them. Eta agbo ya ga we me gbin na the government are send them ariowa. Police spend 4 hours so come Ovie Queen Ovie King Charles. King Charles what no mare again of America Prince Williams in yatia. Marie call a police 1 hour before hours in who we. Well, no ye student visa yare no ye postgraduate work permit visa. Okay, well, the 4 hours now they can come and check on you. Are you okay? Are you fine? And they leave. Say they spend 4 hours with you. Anywhere where UK. I bet UK people more than let me know. If after they don't beat you now for UK police go come carry 4 hours. No police no ya total era. Inya we blood work, inya we test would they okay, they'll ask you to go. You can be doing all that for camera we here. So that man wa me we can we hey we say wa gather evidence. I want them we book pala where this is the court paper. Every no one sunu be this on the court paper wa gunya wa the court paper go ene ba Jimmy. Wani buwe we bona o si wani bu agbon fi wo wa wa rewe but especially iyan ni wata this is UK is not Nigeria wa miya ebe UK magbawo nuya they didn't go back to school again to work on themselves agbe comment here especially opa ika we not here awe gbo no re UK for how many years o ma de gbe are UK no ya na just speak UK English as a second or third language. I want my bella dear. I don't know what here going in boy gwa. I'm mute eh. Okay, going in on gwa. I'm mute eh. So that na go am now UK government don't say he. Omad officer because of Nian Agbe yo gbe. Omad officer security camera wo wa abi all the officer me plumbing. Our way government. Now UK government send this man come. I thank God for like 2 people ni river na UK government. Wa be kewa nipa we police spend 4 hours. Iyan petting yen sin. Wa be kewa nipa wa re bokpa la see this paper na court. Oni igbina no wa sunu we dey Sunday. A court I case we was a court wa re court paper no aya su imere na baba na. Ijeme. Ileke shave apa bobo zibobo ni lelewera. Why opportunity na ya mike yan. Ijeme. Emi no wa be sunu baba, emi no sunu be tu o ma say o ma quick ba be 48 hours. On we cut worry begging this one na court paper. No way why say UK we what all they now we got so say my spirit never agreed with you. We do. You carry person business. That thing go dey hard to do because he never fit do one. Oh, you know the year because he said he wants to be known as the most popular Edo youth, as the most popular enemy, the most popular in a position kwa ya muno. Why tompolo? Ya tompolo. Iwe a contract in amuno 4 billion every month, you know. Or me 4 billion, ye 1 billion ge government. Ye marry 3 million. Better activism, I tompolo ga better one. Activism and we position agboni afe any government in order Buhari re omune Jonathan re omune ari ani kere yan mune ogwe wa ije mo se tave o se ya ta bi je no kwa iteve ni was wogajia o ye ri asedogbo no o ye ri asagbo ya no rowe e street we ri una who we are don't like politics. Who the doctor who they like politics now? Agboyan wa kinya. Then who are bishop in Ore Canada kuse. Who said the bishop big bawo Uwe Rudiya gwe Sandra Agbo Vogwa. Because or say Sandra yaku. Amadi. Amadi when Amadi kuse. Amadi Amaya wa bi what was his name? Amadi wa giveku. Wa be gwine no doba sekina. Don't can uve mama will attention don't can give you all my dana. You see these useless people that can't take what they give to people. Because of who you they fight for. Go see people where Obi one fight for that day. All of them, don't they? If Tinubu say one do give away today, Abi Tinubu son we and we give away. Go see as all of them go camp for a comment section. Start to the course Obi. Anyway, Tinubu fit here in Nigeria. And you are your jayari and you are like, so you want go help Nigerians? Bobo governor, that one are politics, but what your back can still do for inside? If you say it's okay to criticize people in the way you are doing, so why can't you also take it when it is being done to you? Jesse Williams in arrest. We only got here, but I'm going when you ware overgedere Valentino numu ware there. I'm going to sue the woman in Spain. Meanwhile, you they cause people wife every day. They cause that your useless, dirty thing wife. A stupid thing. Ne meti hey, umwore ase gada your woman on a berry. Jesse Williams. Why Jesse Williams can why sway? Only in where woman dead be. Not will not demolish a business owner for 4 years. That's why I keep saying, if you know what, if you know you have something that you love, don't bring it to social media. You want to use and do pepper there. At the end of the day, now you pepper will enter here. I'm telling you. When I remember winning genocide in 2017, again, that winning with my account. Take your wife away from social media because they will spoil her. They will start making her see bad things about you. Who you want to pepper them for? Having fake account in neck book we never bath. I be present away because January to December, our phone and that kind of person wanted to pepper them for was something that makes you happy. Something that makes you happy. Something that you are enjoying. You want to use and do pepper them. You know, see Regina Daniels that time. If they do pepper, the people were praying. Regina Daniel, Regina, they were all to 2 this morning. As a way order for where Regina drugs or moon. As a way Regina order for no be Viagra. Now people where they do pepper them be this so. So when I tell you social media is the facade. Social media at times is not real. People want you to see what they want you to see. But at home is a different thing. So you can like them, you can love them if you want to, but don't run your life with whatever comes out from their mouth. How can so there's a situation at home where we're planning life for one. There's somebody go come, I don't go to work. Then your husband go then Udoni. Oh well, on what time on the Facebook when here we now that from any we now you come and stay. No, everything is being planned. Everything is done in moderation. Maybe in Europe over there, they say that the benefit in the so women are not allowed to work or whatever. If you have kids, plan your schedule around them. If it's okay for you not to work, fine. If it's okay for you to work, look at some people. We are watching TikTok now. If you know what makes you happy, don't bring it to social media. I'm telling you. Don't use it and do pepper. They will scatter around for your hand. They'll start making you see the disadvantage. Why that thing is not supposed to be. Meanwhile, they actually want that thing. They really envy you. But they want you to destroy your hand so that they'll go and get it. Wasn't that what Abba did? A foundation genocide, a criminal or Milano, or he can run it Yahweh in a foundation, or he can relocate to the UK. Yagi say, Nene, you can hear not why we not they don't did genocide. Yagi say, you can now marking winner. All the time when you are star, give me star, donate for me. So we can't like it. Why did you criticize this before? That's what I say now, Oba. Oh, they careful. Now only this agbene they go benerish. Now you be the direct recipient of whatever attack they want give you. He said UK government will they follow you up and down. A police wa lele were. Then what time? Who are the personal guard we security guard we personal one. Oh wa lele were gbene no we ne Davido mu lele gbena eh. When the Davido ye face or America women police set war Nigeria. All me paying. So what who are a personal guard? Oh, wa lele were. Are yani re Facebook are mani lele were ni enjoy no ya tie bonera we join ya le ni we wani ya support we ya donate no. why you only ya who the only ya take a personal security who di motor who we do wa we e senator Zamere vie ya da delo wa America we azwo we vie ni amala de do go ba gwan ya now now because we don't dey abroad now. Since you don't dey abroad, you get freedom. We care where for a live video. Freedom of naked, you know now. Freedom to do whatever you want to do now dey abroad. We care where for a live video. All time no war can we against Valentino. Come no do mu no do new organ my Facebook. Who can we paint no even na gay and when not do new organ is freedom. You can do anything you like abroad. There are consequences. There are consequences. If that boy don't sign am saying he go buy person, he go do 21 years. You don't know. He go do the thing, he go do in jail term. Meanwhile, you don't go. You don't turn your wife to widow. You don't turn your children to fatherless. The same reason we say na because of my children I come abroad, and because of my children I come. Well, if because of your children come abroad now, don't in your mission of your while you are they don't want all boy right boy day na police station go reach. What to go double sue na win him go save. 10 pounds I pay we. But we are forever deformity. You have that life injury. Be careful. Be careful. What happen now? You put person for group. You start to the call line Ewobi. You start to the call line. Then you want to do a live video. Because when I feel according to your body, you say your parents trained you not to respect each other. But you can't pass that everywhere you go. No, some people will beat that training enter your body. A training a marry marry with social media. When people don't sign, no, they will only beat you, deform you, buy you. Hi, Sarafina, how you doing? Take am easy. No be. Ayo with politics we if the Oba extended hand of friendship to Obaseki and Obaseki ruined it, he decided to now extend the same hand to Okpebolo. Let him be. That does not make him political. Initiative in Omonoba Mure, Obaseki na Kiobona, ona Hierabo, ona sideline Omonoba, ona swe project in it, or marry nothing that even that welcome the presence of the royal house in that or the crown in that Mowa. Even the donor they were okay na do other the wipe donor to become Mowa. Okay, and the governor say, okay, if you don't want my friendship, okay, let me extend my, and the Royal Majesty, okay, let me extend my friendship to Okpebolo. And I think so far Okpebolo is reciprocating well. So what do you mean? How does that make him political? How does that make him political? If Obaseki had behaved well, he would have been a senator of the Oba. Palace a playground Wahala. Why content already Facebook? Palace not be na content now. Oba dey go, Oba here we go pa o, then we go area Dubai o, then we go area Abuja. Which tell this one happen now? Na personal life. Let him do whatever I want to do with his life. Oh, Oba yama we go girl. Yama the man honey yam we go ni get anything no ya we no ya we because of be na yo. In the time of our expectation, don't let our expectation be cut off. Don't let our expectation be cut short. In our times of celebration, in our times of eating our dividends, Father, give us goodness. Let us be alive to eat our dividends. So why you can't say because in our Royal Majesty now, the prayer point should change? Why? Because in our king. Tell me why the prayer point now will come change because say na Oba. A Benin Royal Museum of very so far initiative in Omure. Wo mu epa ya change to Emowa as epo ya ki Emowa. The way of the area go now blood see they run for Oba body now. He has every right. He has right to his grievances. He has right to be angry. Apart from Obaseki hijacking the process, you know, it made him start having issues with his fresh son. Tell me who will not be happy. With the speech Omoloba gave the other day, went to government house. You could feel it in it. How that thing almost, how it ruined his relationship with his first son. A son he has nurtured, a son he has raised well. Huh? Please. A blood dey flow for our body. Oba not be una playground. More na do na politics. Do whatever you want to do in politics, but not go near Oba. Not try there. Not go near there, abeg. That other people do and they go scot free. You fit do am ogbe won. You fit do am by fi wonu. Na so they tell you say Omonoba talk say not the very egg I do your mobile. The people wey tell you that they forbid to on live video make them talk am by themselves. Well, work back and don't talk but no jotogo. Come tell us. What did they say? The Zamere no fit on video talk. What did they not fit do with their children? A school major, you are a dropout. You can't speak English for straight 1 hour. Look at the interview you are doing. What is a bow is a pigeon? What is a very interview? Even though the interview made Doya and Minosunu were okay, because Obaseki, what Obaseki said was what I picked. He said it was the Royal Majesty that invited, you know, that gave him the opportunity to come into the return of the artifact thing. That when he came on board as a governor, Oban and the federal government has been into this return the artifact thing, and he told the Majesty, Father, can we please, you know, can we come in so that you are not going to Abuja all the time? Let the state government intercede. So that is to say, okay, Baba, give my happy way. Okay, no problem. So you know that was the mindset of the Oba. When he say na umiewa jake the process, you did not get back to him to say, okay, Papa, so far this is the report. This is the quarterly report. This is the bi-yearly report of the EMOA, of the museum or whatever. You sidelined him. You can eat Oba magbe proposal go o gi khorion no mama. When you khorion we face we khorion. All this ugly mucheche. Na so their hearts be. Ke no be rien make up ya go e khorion re E kho say na. If you want your heart beautiful, oh my God. Ona khorion me di we be khorion. What Obama gbe proposal gbe proposal go initiative in Otamawe. Because the man not consigned the yeti where you give him some paper, make the son go give him. He can't become your enemy. Now bati here you here now. Or who will not gbo baseki not be in. Oh wa mere ya gbo e. Like gbo ne social media go e kokemo. Because once these people just dey live video, they feel say they don't be alpha and omega. They start to talk rubbish, start to talk to people anyhow. Ravi with video go away, my son, don't go here. He won't come do video one day. I saw what they are no most of Funariene. Oh, where Europe people do. Oh, where Neri yak video ni we may send you go gira. Wow, that when they do what did you want guido bona. Woman send you go gira visual. I'm not bagging there. Ogi, you know, going for his own rights now. Where you don't want anybody to talk ill of Obaseki. Who the hell are you and the useless Obaseki? Ogi or your normal man. You are part of the reason why Aswen did not even win. Everything are pepper them. Owe Royal Majesty ma, owo man gbe proposal gi, o gba igbe proposal gwe, and this idiot in areba dame yo. He says his way Papa played that audio when they go give, and Frank Victor they go give. He say no send the papa money. As some power ya with video ni be. I be want talk about am the next day, but I just still leave am. Where am I sending go get here? Or where if to say now lay papa depend on, you say hungry go forbid him because since when papa send that video go give his sister where they click on send and go give Victor. Where Victor come play for Instagram or been YouTube. He says since they never send the papa money oh. He says since they never send the papa. Or where did your pa? Where they telling they depend on you? Where to am agbe? Or depend on your pa? That is to say the other ones where still they outside the country now. Those ones come they so help the dad. Very dysfunctional family. You don't think? You get something where you go to talk. People go they happy. We are walk crossing line like Guani. You want to buene. So be diplomatic so far in your activism. Be diplomatic. People will tell you say you can't tell Oba a problem era. Oba a problem. Inya anemo. Uzamere anemo. Eta no gua. A position agbon amuneta owo kan. A government motor amu e yo mu erebe region Nigeria regeni. Wego. Una de you wo have a koya akyoto. I was agbovo you are. Iya na gele kuwefwa. Or they say campaign have a buaba. I they will campaign for na give a kwenu mi obaseki. Even as I dey bet si mametin goda for egwan. Abi ya ni we politics ni we 8 lelo. Wo te wo boke kan ya yakian. Okay. Abi o sagbovo you. You don't go see house o sagbovo you buy for orewa. O sagbovo dey am la dia do anele nu me na. Of course, that is not to say they are not supporting Obaseki, but they are doing it in a diplomatic way. So that they are politicians. Tomorrow now they will just decamp. Go and see Wike. When a Wike support a PDP, APC is a cancer. APC is stage 4 cancer. I want to by APC. Today now Wike is doing everything to protect APC. So a real politician was a real Dagbiyanje. So diplomacy diplomacy otherwise, if you want just follow politicians the way they do work, you will yeah, what time one with the Oba we go are Dubai, Oba we go are Abuja. Oba no time I went my brother every video. Yeah, they feel they're untouchable. That's why you see they say, now UK we there. This is not Nigeria. This is not Nigeria, but I'm born in the UK. I salute you are in the UK. Whatever no can we are the guy is equal to the task. But who bini or call like facing? What if it was something else? That body are going to rock I swear you're a cone. No, what more you want begging away me Danny? Why if I could come away on you won't even say oh. Now they do that say now good, but I mean I not say see when all of fuck that they come and can't give her. In get Melissa picture in our more because once you start supporting them, you can't correct them. That's why, as I know they support anybody, so I happy. If I just see what I want to put, I talk put. If you therefore, that's why I keep telling people when say now, so they like Melissa Lao, and like even they presenter rock, because presenter no know that like it, it don't be your work well now. Don't like me because of any. It's better me you just hate me, honestly. Because when I was look at Regina that day, a Regina mother was there as an adult who saw where Regina was going to as a sixth wife. Today they are a 17 years old, maybe big bad 18. Today there was an enabler, there was an accomplice. But that is Nigeria for you. It's a selective favoritism for them. The mother was there. The mother knew she was 17 years old. Mona Biere 2001. Why rush here just to enter private jets? Look at her now. You private jet, but they don't turn out to drug addict for the house. because a care I milk be a baby I go ya ovulate very can I need the care that for every meeting or a 7 hours meeting who was so rocky with all. Yes now. But say as he just talk that now say oh a man I re ma gelegba on me mo bi no back here. Or say oba no right proposal to ran. May it say not remind them really what to make you get Osarodian Osagi or Sarodian Ogi no ga ISSG okay tell you beg on ga push e go Sarodian Ogi or tell me remind Daniel na ga push barrister Sarodian Ogi can even attest to this barrister Sarodian Ogi oya bu oba we oba can we come into this Benin return of the artifact in una this initiative Osarodian Ogi no I want to but ya bu omo no ba where you want to be involved I will no because again who wa mi abati no go ati ebo na gbon ya some people don't sign no forget they don't sign abi awe mi when you go dey do some kind thing say this boy egele me nwe people wey go dey say fire down continue oh you are too good the best guy oh you are too mature but osogo ma be oh they Jimmy about you wanna here I know I thought when he gets to UK he was going to enhance himself, he was going to level up more. Oh, see, mere no gbo bi ai Sandra gbo go even jayan gbogbo na eri Sandra le married man hey o ma be ugbe we agwa isi bona we mi ora ko this one agbu agboya we violent is the people they look you today they comment Sandra is going that married man I will keep saying it any man girl will go out with me not get issue with the girl beg up me because you not respect your wife for us and I make you go to carry another person you have to be respectful to your wife okay I not there no respect over kan to so worry because if you don't fight your husband, peradventure you want to fight the girl, but make sure your husband also gets a fault from it. You never see anything. Beginning one, oh, you go sue people tire. One boy tell you yesterday, and I said you go sue people tire. Here is a boy. Well, we were they self-employed. They must but when they are self-employed, they don't need DBS, they don't need CPR, DBS, police check to take work, to take do anything. Well, no one like you come and say that you work Balami police in there, you work Balami police station there. Area Baseki we on an American passport in me. Area Baseki do on an American passport in me. We make better we walk police station there. We walk sometimes think out of the box. I mean, people will want you to come and do some kind things with your face out there for them. My brother, tell them, say, my brother, maybe you get live video. Go Facebook now. Maybe you still go talk. If you know if you bring your face, especially if they want, maybe you bring your. Tell them, if you know if you bring your face, do on darkness. You do. If you know if you do live video. Just do and record it, and throw it there. Maybe you got do care on it name and why. I might want men why name or men women why women thing. As you don't reach your turn now, I have to, I will let the Lord take its cars. I will take the Lord take its cars. This is UK now. This is UK. This is not Nigeria. This is UK. Then my visit UK. Then anyway, oh, this is UK. This is UK. This is UK. I mean, it's UK now. A depression and so we are here in organic way. So that lesson. I am this is UK. I am here. This is UK. I keep on do you want. This is UK. I can't be any 70 people na kedo me na be na. This is UK. Ebony has a Unwegba. Opa no win your man. Then we got me a TikTok. This is UK. This is UK. Oh no win your. This is UK. Oh this is Ebony with Salobua. The one like a UK and not a Jena. Wala. Why do I want UK na maintain like Egbe? One of my good destination spot for vacation. Why you wear na biare COS people in Arena? This is UK. This is UK. This is UK. We got wearing that. This is UK. This is UK. I get UK. I hear na mini Lagos now. Okay, I want like boss in the UK. I want a car. I call it stack up, brother. Roger, Kedu. But take am easy. Violence. Now, not the words where they call violence. When how bad they instigate violence against other people, we not say na violence. Now the thing don't touch her back. Now come say violence. Ijeme. A word did not hear use for the past 48 hours is violence. Violence. Oh, the violence. This is UK. This is not Nigeria. Of course, this is UK. Oh, no, ya bubi ya bati ome. Ya ome UK yenje. Oh, no, UK since 2005. Ome UK yenje. He knows the law now. Only any yawe ya back egbe up. But who be the word? Yeah, be all 1 year is life and direct, and you can't do him anything. You can't. You can't. I'm telling you. The eldest brother for you, America, you no go fit. Forget. You just say the family be like this, your brother, the way they swore for you for America. The elder brother where they California. Oh, Dudu, why mate? Forget. You no go fit. Speak to normal mate egbina ye 5 years green card America. All ye run him we here. Because one more be can only we bataji here salubona we memere. Especially again move wa ya ladiana. O see e me mo smart only gi wa be increase e move ladiana. No? So take it easy. Let everything be in moderation. If you wish about tongue, them go say he was saying the truth. Agigbe who been there now. It's violence. It's violence. This is UK. This is not Nigeria. But if about the incite or that they bully or is saying the truth. Now people when they want push by now they look for this Facebook. How about it now? Everyone is supporting now. Get an issue with Tinyamahwe. A video pa the lolo unere 2022 EGO. When I listened to the video last night, I say, "Ew, about the money I push you well, boa bungbe." People when they tell you the truth, now it isn't that those one hate you. Beg me anyway, now those one hate you pass. Any one hate you, we say. Ha. Now there for cross line. When did they do that video? If you go in comment section, now about you they talk to, you go start to insult the maybe first 5 people who comment there. Now about you they talk to, now about you they talk to, now about you they talk to. Yes, about now they be slave. Even one useless one, not when you make PhD. Or we at the people are slaves to Abba. Is you. You are slaves to Oba, leave it. Kadoti, waga itie, mweru wali juwala diane do tie bona If you not call you talk to another person, I'm not go worry. But so now they protect una papa now carry another person come out, all in the guise of we dey abroad. Wagara abroad, wa ban wa be like video I will not say freedom of naked, freedom of to do anything. Orewebo, go ban wa be like video get freedom, you know. Eh? People will collect better buy for Obaseki government. Then Obaseki no embezzle. You go from America to Canada, from Canada to UK to Italy to France. All the religion waiting you enjoy. Na bata agwa mwa potential baba Obaseki na. If we me why ye vrugede no mukia why ye widow given. If we do something, tell us. Even if you love us, tell us. Tell us. But you are engineering Oba to start insulting Oba. From January to December. Do you know what it is? If you not back to start to the royals, who you know where to tie? Yes, now people were happy now plenty, but yes, now that is where Abba should start using his teeth, his tongue to count his teeth. Start using your tongue to count your teeth. When he went to Nigeria before the last Nigeria no job before the last one no job before Obaseki. Only book Sarafina, I don't know if you remember one of the visits he went before the last one he went to Nigeria. The great Azua a video ni a book no one a boy even Larry hotel Wesley hotel a boy Amadi, you know, Amadi give a manner, because Amadi ma support Amadi wey dey Nigeria, wey be say you not get mama, you not get papa, you not get governor wey will give her money. That one Congo they follow one boy wey dey Ikpobaoka, the chairman of Ikpobaoka local government. Only give a good way atarara kere. Ne, no let me go yale in one a pot of soup. Never will can have it. No done in about what a yenya I swear. And this boy need to feed his family. You they get money from Obaseki wife. About Obaseki when me go be Betsy kekebe and loot in Obaseki duvio. And then I said they contact to Obaseki. Well, when you get a gualeve, or what the young or what the bully Amadi Bana, or what the bully Amadi Bana. Owamadi ya obiara ya ozoba oya go local government chairman orego yot ego abikpoba unweme na ya na o but I remember that man because that was the guy no ya mudia ko airport no na wa a trip in no jove Nigeria o teri e fuare trip ni e boy ni ga no ye boy no gba le yo le ya ga ile mi ya zuo ba son wanyo le club ibe ya Amadi na woman can't give it no everywhere magba bati. Then while the opportunity ya tamia when ya we psychiatric evaluation ni ya mu well away machine ni ya because no we jenehima because na abroad we dey me say no more na the craze wa zeke yunwa wa yore wa ribe wa zeke the garden wa ze yunwa so that he well na abroad they really dey. That's why you don't tell where you dey try one where you dey one try one poke enter this palace. You don't tell where the Senator Zamere no lemi we were okpena we Senator Zamere ke engineer we over do he go sit down for hospital like say like SAT scan exactly. If they do blood work for her, do everything for her, do x-ray, she say nothing they doesn't mean they go house. If he can't carry the matter enter court, judge go request. If judge request, doctor say nothing happen. If something even happen, said we not go. I mean also, we community say, but to go anywhere you and Abu Mario. No, you shop slap, abi you not shop slap. You collect para, abi you not collect who be a mere. As somebody they talk and that day, I don't know if not true. They say Obaseki they come, he wear bulletproof come. Obaseki je bulletproof vest a day. When Obaseki wear God. Oh, a Bible will prove wisdom is profitable to direct. Go and have sober reflection. Nobody is telling you to stop your activity, but don't let your activity become too personal. It too they take things too personal. It too they treat issue too harshly. No good. Why that way there? Oh, thank you. Why we say, oh, boga is one. Okay, no matter UK or see on na. Oh, my kata, they wait for this UK with the fact, oh, police not they do anything. Oh, my kamere get there, they know they are bio na. Where bad go sue? How bad go sue? Oh, my kata, we been London, the UK would done. And the UK when I get bumbo dock akabo because sick in Nigeria. Now, this is not UK. This is not Nigeria. This is UK. And what I know, this is UK. But if you go past your boundary for UK, I can go any police carry. I want to go police carry because it's too much. When the Murphy beat that boy, that they say may come pay fine. And you what say? You will still get papa, you still get mama for Nigeria. Do what you are very UK, where you pity. It is because you do all your condition. He married a Bobizwa over there. Bobizwa, fishy. Boy, so no na. I will bomb CMMia. People don't spend 50 years for this abroad now. Imagine man, I carry 20-something years ago now. Eh? Here, my fear, and you so. Maybe no way Bobizwa we Bobizwa. Oh, there was what they say name Bobizwa ba e Sandra Gbogu give no na. Na so Sandra the friend name is Monday Sibo abi Saturday Sibo. E Sandra the married ma o. E Sandra always Sandra no you work about work that way. Sandra they follow married ma oh. Sandra they follow married. Sandra fieve ya. Ubege woman rapa. Uwe Sandra fieve ya vie legina. Azua stupid thing. Me ami weti me agbo me azian be your weko. I'm telling you. Well, my woman said no we jena. Una condemn me UK na. E kama na itie ba ma na bully na rie na. Ama no we content creation ni ma mi we nega rie nega even na be degbegele wa who every 10 minutes will land there. Obaseki river to be very sincere. Umakwe no moro pa. Obaseki e senti ga no na. Obaseki no we don't tear born a late captain also blessed memory. We don't tear born of here by no Obaseki. If you criticize Obaseki na wo to wo. Even we makweni ya Obaseki for 2 minutes. We walk by wolo eh. Ozibobo governor. Ozibobo for what now? Who make pa where the my boy you are doing well now with the Royal Majesty. Okay, have ya zola kan. Eri we go are Dubai. Eri all the lifu abi na nu ga going into our Royal Majesty into his private life. Even we as individuals say you can't even go into our private life like that. Now Royal Majesty because he give me one of feed the information. I get ma vient où y aura moyen ta. Yeah we again agi mu ari o na we e ke nu rie na e we mi o vient be ba o na we yan. Agi se ke na oya mu pon ya we ikodo awewu. Na we don't know why we mi o vient be ria na na. Amani ma gen agi mama. Ọmọ tó bọ́ ẹ̀ kẹ́mi iná kí n àgẹ́ má mama o àgẹ́ má mama o. Mo yà di UK gbé má rí ọkọ̀ wẹ́ adé UK una dé UK wà kí mi rẹ̀ UK ni à because una wey dey UK na mostly dey constitute this nuisance una come back am up with na UK adé o this is UK this is not Nigeria this is UK this is not Nigeria. You can hear when one meme because man, except say maybe there's an oversight. I never really see other countries they do this nonsense. They don't come back and say this is Italy or this is France. They misbehave. I never really see. Maybe I never see the video. But ni wa bully UK ni waje. This is UK. So is UK now encouraging people to be bullies? Once una don't open the case, me, I'm interested. I need the case file. I want to ask, UK authority, do you guys encourage bullies in your country? Because it's getting too much. When they bully people, they back it up with this is UK. They bully people, they back it up with this is UK. Is that what UK is all about? Is that how you introduce your country to other people who live elsewhere? That it's okay to bully, it's okay to be, to carry out nefarious activities. And you back it up with this is UK because you got the UK government or you got the police backing. Bullying is a crime. It's not accepted. Because we could not believe say as una just dey live video nobody fit talk that bush if you no move be you are already or my way video or we video na post area where say the thing wanna be say because una don dey do video na be offer and omega not being slap you go do the video yesterday if you want say I make my wire. So nobody has monopoly. Nobody has monopoly of whatever an artist owner they do. Yeah, you have to tell if social media everybody are having a tita. Okay, good evening, my darling, Sophia. I will be your well, no, not total. Not be the same video one of you say because now they do video now get rights. This is UK. Now get right to bully everybody that comes. Especially the one who ni row one ni row. Why you will bully a bunny makane? Okay. Sorry guys, I had a call. And then a video total. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes to explain every noise on Agba. Bega vi ani po boyo we u jerege tu mo face la dia o. In everything you do, sit down. Think about it. Tu mo face la dia. The only thing where they go do reach na to type or call you. They fit call you, Jimmy. They can call you. Yeah, wa kwe wa radio ba we wa je ya wa push we ye na everything ya metita o. Iya we nu weta moye video re abu moye speaker re they go tell you may you talk and they go hide their head. So you when you dey Nigeria that na so you dey Jimmy. If me dey abroad, I won't even have that time. When he was UK, na we if you know how to very decent with his life, be one of the Nigerian ambassadors, in America, in UK, and not travel. I had that high hope. Only for you to come there, update, Jimmy. I go make you go with content creation lao. Every royal asimaya with content creation with lao call. Since well nobody na UK una dey having re UK. Who dey UK must be bully. Who dey UK? Fear no the let person talk to who dey UK. Why get go and ore UK gwan? Go they bully, don't start to they bully. The day when they slap people now let you they slap. Naina, exactly Sarafina. Anybody bully me, especially Lolo. See ya go a party. You know about try. I go beat you. So I don't go with my passport. My passport. But I make sure say I dislocate one of your ribs. I go insult person finish now. Call the phone because say we dey abroad. Because say we dey abroad for what? How about use your tongue take count your teeth now. See what happen to you man. You go 7 and go. But it's also an opportunity for you. Having any disappointing if we boni eh. Gwale no ya use opportunity now ya make you go your being they will gladly give to you. Just tell they say you don't carry even no egbe benu mu la diamba. Sarafina we ma bege mi no wo we na. Oh, you want me back para there we be cutting na. Ebi no wa be sunu be 2 days ago. Oh, we cut wa vie beni. Ichire. Wala mo na come dey look UK. Why gare do age UK when na third world country na? Abi COS wa be COS palava wa be UK ya kire no ikiane a. Ebi no wa be sunu be dey so we cut vie beni yen o. E cut vie beni yen o. Why use opportunity now ya making no ya su uya su no ke uya fe ko dele mi yo wawe udo wawe why here like content creation monoba uza senator uza mere no condemn life we no ya mweta na uza mere ga mweta ta total do ate bonera oh, be say they use them do Godfather, they call you the in your book or your way, in your book or your way, go born abati yata, very well, no now, Oswo, Joji, ye rien said do bonoje. Now, so our bagare money go to bed. Now, so our back on the fat for us, every fat was a rock here when me well. Emi nu le boji ne wa be ga dori e o asalu abato baze yan wo e boni ti na wo no o sene se ni bi wa we alori aye ya mami go goba aba mami go ge no mu ari e Dubai mami go ge ije e ma ni time we oba je Dubai iye me video ni yan ado yata the most popular edo Agbubiye the most popular do one. Now a party online see party yan re nu ese. I'm not sure. You know, the most of una dey the social media never see understand how they work. Now listen party they'll give you. Tomorrow if you still that's the way they support. You might supporting yan rahwe. You might not way no yan rahwe. They will come and remind you this slap wey mere give you so. They'll come remind you. Imere ebonke gbina right from Ambrosali. No. Ebonke gbina right from Ambrosali. Go ask people where really know. They say they hide. If you dey find her, go hold them. You go see her there. No they hide. No they hide themselves. Telling you. So because una feel say na abroad everybody na abroad with them me say una come dey bully person una come dey una just say una normal see call wa. Of your my eternity what e wo bi e wo venu wa due. Bebe no twe me ni ri owa me say ebe be no ya dia UK amawe eri owa me supporting your party enu say but now you go dey get the feeling that owa we ya be ya suwe owu fu awe there eri otun awa we go say oh the worst Obaseki and his friends they come greet mama onwe oh we are sorry may the soul of our birth rest in hell do guy rest in peace or rest in hell e ori opan wa me ni yo onwe say Obaseki no eri de gbe ti owo kan we Obaseki akweti owo kan we gbe se e besi do amo we sori we ya mu lie e Valentino ene eri wa say I'm telling you you better use your upper